Welcome at Pizza and More. This time we make again a pizza variation where I think it should be on your pizza menu. This will be a pizza which fits perfectly to our current season, spring. I'm Jürgen and we make together this time the Pizza Primavera. And you know Primavera is the Italian word for spring. By chance I saw in the supermarket green asparagus and then I thought I buy directly this green asparagus so that we are able to make this nice pizza. On this pizza we take as a base ricotta cheese. We make a cream of ricotta with some lemon. I will show you how we make this. We make this together. Then some fresh cherry tomatoes, of course the asparagus, then some Prosciutto Cotto if you like, and if you like some Mozzarella Fior di Latte. And you will definitely see this variation of pizza is very light, very delicious, absolutely perfectly fitting to spring. The dough I use today is my preferred dough, which is with a 50% biga. You will find the recipe over there because today I won't show you how to make the dough because this video is especially for the pizza variation, Pizza Primavera. The first we have right now to prepare is our cream of ricotta. I have here in this bowl already 250 grams of ricotta cheese and I have here a bio lemon and we use some of the peel. As next, I cutted the lemon into two pieces and from one half we use the lemon juice. And then we pour this lemon juice to our ricotta. And then we mix everything. For each pizza I use 5 pieces of asparagus and from each of those I cut round about 4 to 5 centimeters to remove all that hard and these wooden parts. And then we peel around 5 centimeters from each of the asparagus pieces. And if this is done, we cut the asparagus into pieces of around 5 centimeters. To prepare the asparagus we have two different possibilities. The first one is we put the asparagus into boiling salt water for around 2 to 3 minutes, or we fry the asparagus for 2 to 3 minutes in a pan with olive oil. And I decided to make it in the pan with olive oil. And then we heat up the olive oil. And then we add the asparagus into the pan. And then, as I already said, we fry the asparagus for around 2 to 3 minutes. The dough is now here on my counter. As you see, all the toppings are already prepared. And then we stretch the pizza like a normal Neapolitan pizza is stretched. Then, if you want some Mozzarella Fior di Latte, and it's now already time for the asparagus. As next we add some tomatoes, some ham, and some olive oil, and a bit of fresh grated black pepper. And then it's already time for the oven. And here is our nice Pizza Primavera. And you saw now how light this pizza looks like. Absolutely fantastic for spring. If you like my video, it would be fantastic if you would subscribe my channel. And then we see us also in the next video. Ciao!